You are already starting to get the hang of it. When I say that you are starting to get the hang of it, you have already formed that structure, able to connect with using Chinese language. Or you have just started and you're looking for that daily and everyday life words that you can start practicing with. And probably these are the words that you have came across with, but you just didn't have the chance to use it. Are you excited to find out? Are you excited to find out? Stay at the end of the video because I found a way to learn more effective. I am about to show you. Might be helping you to level up. So let's start with 去 去 去. This means go, go, go. And the next one would be 来 来 来. Guess what this word is? It means come, come, come here.
It's all right, just trust me. Just trust me.
吃 吃 吃. Do you know what it is? I guess you have heard of this word before. It is to eat. To eat. The next word would be 喝 喝 喝. It means to drink. To drink. 看 看 看. This means to see or to watch. The next word would be 听 听. It means listen or hear. 读 读 读. That means read, read, read. 做 做 做. That means do, do, do. 给 给 给. It means to give, to give. 手到手到. 休息休息休息 means rest, rest, rest. 洗澡洗澡洗澡. Guess what it is? Take a bath or take a shower. 站站站 means stand, and you have the other relative opposite in this kind of manner, which is 坐坐坐. This means sit, sit. Are you getting this? Let me know your comments. Do you want for more? 打电话打电话电话打电话 means phone. 打 means the verb. So if you combine, 打电话 means to call, to call, to call. The next word would be 笑 笑笑 this is to laugh to laugh to laugh. This pair is also relational. This is the first word is 记得记得 remember remember. And what is the opposite of remember? 忘忘忘 which means, can you guess? It means forget forget. The next pair would be 用用用. This means to use to use to use. And what is the opposite? Which means 不用不用不用. This means no use, or sometimes it means no need. 不用. So 不 means negation, which is in this particular phrase, it means to say that it's no use. 不用. The next pair would be 刷牙刷牙刷牙. It means to brush洗洗洗. This means to wash to wash. The next pair would be 等等等等等. It means to wait. It means to wait. Alright, and the next relational word, 照照照 means to find to find to find. So smart Chinese learner, what have you learned? Let me know in your comments below. What have you learned? And if this is something that you're looking for, please give us the comments below and give us that thumbs up, give us that like, and if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please hit that subscriber button below, because you will get our updates week by week with our updated videos. And these videos are the videos that you have requested, and we will make sure that it will be personalized on what you want. And I will see you on my next video.